Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to delete or remove our shortcut for accessibility menu in Samsung Galaxy S22. So right now we have our shortcut right here. If the shortcut is set up in here, it's easy to do. Edit shortcuts, select actions. We are looking for our option and we can turn it off from here. But if we have the shortcut set up as a button press, we need to go to settings, then accessibility options, next interaction and dexterity, and our assistant menu is here, and here is the shortcut option. So from here we can also change our shortcut, but to turn it off we simply tap this option and that's it. No need to save. We can safely go back to our home screen. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.